Hello friends, today I will show you how to generate images using for free. Here are some such pictures that I made. Let's see how to make them. First, open your browser and go to a ChatGPT. Okay, finally, we need to generate the prompt that we need to create the desired image. In this way, you need to write the prompt according to the picture. Now enter. Now you can see how to write the prompt we need with ChatGPT. Okay, now copy the prompt. Here we don't need to cut this part. And copy the prompt and go to your browser. Now you can see an interface like this. Press the spaces above the text. Click on Black Forest Labs from here. An interface like this will come. Take the prompt we copied here and paste it. From the advanced settings here, you can change the sizes of the displayed image and the font used to create the image. I give this size here. Okay, now press the Run button. Now you can see the picture we made. Press the Download button here and the image will be downloaded. Today we have brought you how to make a free AI image. If you like the video, please like and comment. Subscribe us to watch this new AI video.